As Ukraine's drone army keeps on striking Russian equipment, it usually results in a damaged or destroyed system, while Russia's artillery or self-propelled mortar system can have an explosive reaction. As seen with this Nona-S mortar system, as it was hiding in between some trees with a cope cage. As hiding is its best defense, once found doesn't usually end well for the system. Due to the low armor and storing ammunition inside makes each hit a possibility for a chain reaction, as seen here when the system explodes, destroying another of Russia's mortar system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.